If you've ever wanted to build a chatbot inside of your website, congratulations. As of October 29th, 2020, Jovo now offers an open source, customizable voice client for chat in the browser. It looks something like this. They've got 4 different starters, and in the one I'm using, it adds a nice little icon in the bottom. When you click on it, it opens up your chatbot, and then they can automatically type out whatever they want. So I can be brave today. And then it replies, and you get a conversation that all uses the Jovo framework. The same way that it builds out Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can now build experiences for Chatbot. What's cool about this solution is they have 4 different templates. So they've got one that's entirely voice only. It's just got a microphone on the page, and then it is a voice interaction by using the microphone inside of their computer, whether that's a mobile phone or an actual desktop computer. The second one is the voice overlay, which is similar to the one that I'm using, but instead of a typed out response, it is a voice-based response accessing the microphone. The third one is the one that I'm using, the chat widget, where you can type out inside of chat. And then the final one, this embedded chat, is actually the one I find the coolest. It takes up the whole screen, so the conversation is the priority, which I find really, really, really cool. So if you want to learn more about this, I will include the Jovo link inside of the video tutorial. And if you have any questions, leave it in the notes below, the comments below. I'll also include a link to the Jovo forum, where if you want to go to the Jovo forum, the good founders Alex Swetlow and Jan Koenig will answer your questions posted in the Jovo forum very quickly. Thanks for joining us. This is Sweets, signing off.